It's Big Business Saturday, and you already know what that means. I'm featuring a small business. Oh, wait a minute. We don't say small business over here. I'm featuring a big business today, and the big business I'm featuring is the Personalization Lab. They sent me these skinny tumblers. Y'all, let me tell y'all, when they sent me this package, I got super excited because I really love the designs I've seen people put on these skinny tumblers. I'm like, I want some. And y'all, look, pastel colors. I couldn't wait for y'all. I had to go ahead and open them up. So we have the pastel black, the pastel turquoise, pastel purple, and the pastel coral. These colors are gorgeous. And then they sent the straws to match each tumbler. But y'all know me, when I saw these tumblers, I was like, oh, they're so cute, but we gotta put a little something on them, okay? So the tumblers are double wall tumblers. They come in both a 4 and a 12 pack, and they hold both hot and cold beverages. So you already know I had to come to Cricut Design Space to personalize this tumbler. Here, I'm just looking for a cute little font. I typed out my daughter's Dasani's name, which this is cute like this, but I was like, oh, I want to add a little extra to it. So I found a cute little flower that I attached to it. I'm using my Cricut Explorer Air 2 to cut my adhesive vinyl. And here, I'm just weeding the vinyl. Normally, me and adhesive vinyl don't get along that well, but baby, tonight, it weeded like butter. But anyway, so now I'm just transferring the vinyl to the tumbler, which, do you see that pink and that purple? That is cute together. But yeah, but anyway, so if you want some tumblers like this, go to the link in my bio underneath Amazon storefront, and you're going to click on the personalization.